Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss bond order trick. Bond order trick, it is a part of chemical bonding. Students, observe my complete video. You will get benefit for all competitive exams. So you will get bond order question and apply my trick. You will get within fraction of second. So what is bond order? Means bond order which is equal to half into bonding molecular orbital electrons minus anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. So this is the calculation of bond order by using formula we able to calculate bond order by using this formula, but no need to use this formula. Follow type 1. What is the type 1 trick means? So for example, hydrogen HH, its bond order is 1 number of, so bonds in between hydrogen and hydrogen. So what is bond order means? Number of bonds. So in between two atoms is known as bond order. So for trick purpose, type 1 trick is just H2, one bond is there, so its bond order is 1. Next, oxygen O2, so its bond order is 2 only. Oxygen double bond is there, its bond order is 2. Nitrogen N triple bond N, its bond order is 3. Its bond order is 3. So number of bonds are 3, its bond order is 3. 2, its bond order is 2. 1, its bond order is these 3 examples for a type 1 trick. Next, I want to go type 2. So type 2 trick. What is type 2 trick means? Type 2 trick to calculate bond order. Just write 14 first for base. Next 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For 14 give 3.0. Next, so subtract 0.5 from 3, you will get 2.5. Next, it becomes to 2.0. Next 1.5, decrease 0.5 from each one. So next 1.0, 0.5. Now this is 0. This is 0. Next, so before number is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. For 13, 2.5, give 2.5. So this is 2.0, 1.5, 1.0, 0.5, 0. Now consider these are bond orders. Bond orders. Consider these are electron sum. Electron sum. Sum of electrons. Now take one example. O2. O2 means the sum of electrons. Electron sum is one oxygen is 8, another oxygen, 2 oxygens are there, 16 electrons are there. So 16 electrons means it's a bond order 16. So go from 16. Now bond order is 2. For example, O2 minus means 2 oxygens are 8 plus 8, one negative charge anion is there, add one more electron, total 17 electrons are there, electron sum, then bond order which is equal to go to 7 to 17, 17 means 1.5 bond order. For example, O2 plus is there, O2 plus means, so 2 oxygens are there, here 2 oxygens means 8 plus 8, again positive cation is there, eliminate one electron, one cation is there, 16 minus 1, 15, its bond order is 15 means its bond order is 2.5. O2 2 minus 2 negative charges are there. For example, 8 plus add 2 electrons, 2 negative charges are there. 18, 8 plus 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 electrons means bond order is 18, 1.0, 1.0. This is electron sum. For example, N2 means, so 7 plus 7, its electron sum. 2 nitrogens are there. Total how many electrons? 14 electrons. 14 electrons means its bond order is 3.0. N2 plus means, so 7 plus 7 minus 1, 14 minus 1, 13 electrons are there. Its bond order BO, which is equal to 13 electrons, means its bond order is 2.5. Next, N2 minus, for example, 7 plus 1 only, negative charge means 1, 14 plus 1, 15 electrons, 15 electrons means its bond order is 2.5, 2.5. So many examples are there. For example, C2 means 6 plus 6, 12 electrons are there. Its bond order is 2.0. This type 2 which is applicable, the sum of electron sum always must and should be above 8 and above 8 only. 8 to 20 only their electron sum. For example, neon 2 is there. Neon means 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20 electrons. Its bond order is 20 electrons. Electron sum is bond order is 0. Bond order is 0. So many examples are there for this type of calculation for type 2. This is a very important. So for the application, NO, for example, NO means here 7 plus 8, that is equal to 15 electrons. 15 electrons means bond order which is equal to 15 means 2.5. NO plus, for example, NO plus 7 plus 8 minus 1, 15 minus 1 means 14 electrons. 14 electrons means bond order which is equal how much? 3.0. Here 14 means 3.0. NO minus, for example, 7 plus 8 plus 1, so 15 plus 16 electrons, that is equal to bond order which is equal to 16 electrons means 2.0. Okay, so Bn, for example, boron means 5, N means 7 total, so 12 electrons. For 12 electrons bond order which is equal to 2.0. CO means here 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14 electrons. 14 electrons means bond order is 3.0. Okay, for CO plus means this is exception for this trick. So CO plus means CO is C is 6 plus 8 minus 1, that is equal to CO plus, that is equal to 8 plus 6, 8 plus 14, 14 minus 1 means 13 electrons. 13 electrons means we are getting 2.5. Actually its bond order is 3.5. For exception for CO plus 1, please be careful, remember it. So this is about bond order type 2 trick. So now I want to apply type 3 trick. Type 3. H2O2, for example, H2O2 means remove this H2, 2 H2s, we are getting O2 minus 2, actually O2 minus in oxidation state. So remember that for trick purpose we are eliminating 2 H2s. 2 H2s means, so here 8 plus 2, 16 plus 2, 18 electrons. 18 electrons means its bond order is 1.0. For KO2, okay, this is superoxide, KO2 superoxide. Now here 1K is there, remove 1K, we are getting O2 minus. So here 16 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 1 16 plus 1 17 electrons. 17 electrons means we are getting 17 electrons means 1.5 bond order is 1.5. So this is about type 3. So this is about for the calculation of bond order I given type 1, type 2, type 3 trick. This is very important. So we able to get within fraction of seconds. Please students, so apply this trick in all competitive exams. You will get 100% benefit. So if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.